If you're looking at Showit website templates for your business, one of the most common challenges is simply choosing the right one. There are many beautiful templates available, but not every design will work equally well for every brand. Choosing the right website template is less about finding the most visually impressive design and more about finding the structure that supports your business. The first thing to consider is how your business actually operates. For example, if you primarily offer services, coaching programs, or consulting, your website will need clear sections for describing those offers and guiding visitors toward the next step. If you're a creative professional, such as a photographer, designer, or artist, your site may need stronger portfolio layouts that showcase visual work. The template should support how your business communicates with clients. Another important factor is visual hierarchy. A well-designed Showit website template should guide visitors naturally through the page. Headings, images, and spacing should make it easy for someone to quickly understand what you do and who you serve. When visitors feel visually oriented on a website, they tend to stay longer and explore further. Typography and spacing also play a larger role than many entrepreneurs realize. Luxury website templates tend to use more intentional spacing and refined typography choices. These subtle design decisions help a brand feel more organized and more established. A cluttered layout, on the other hand, can unintentionally make a brand appear less polished even if the business itself is highly professional. Another useful way to evaluate a template is to look at the built-in page layouts. Strong templates typically include well-designed pages for services, offers, about sections, and blog or content areas. Starting with these structures makes it much easier to launch a professional site without having to invent the layout yourself. This is one reason many entrepreneurs choose Showit website templates instead of starting with a blank website. Templates provide a design framework that can be customized while still preserving a polished structure. That's exactly why we created our collection of luxury Showit website templates designed for entrepreneurs, creative professionals, coaches, and consultants. Each template in our shop is built with a clear visual hierarchy and refined layout structure so your brand immediately feels organized and elevated online. And if you prefer a completely done-for-you experience, we also offer white glove website customization. With that service, we take one of our luxury templates and customize the entire website for you. The template itself is included in the project, which means you receive a fully customized site built on a professionally designed foundation. Choosing the right website template can dramatically shorten the time it takes to launch a polished website. Instead of starting from scratch, you begin with the design that already works. If you're exploring Showit website templates for your brand, you can browse our full luxury template collection below and see which design aligns best with the direction of your business. A strong website isn't just about design, it's about presenting your work in a way that makes the right clients immediately understand the value you bring.